mutual fund investing. What is the meaning of 15-15-15 SIP rule and 15-15-30 SIP rule? Will these rules help investors to become crorepati? Let us discover in this video. First, let us take 15-15. What does it mean? It is simple. The first 15 in this rule represent the SIP amount. That means 15,000 should be the SIP amount a person has to commit every month. The second 15 represents the rate of return assumed. If the SIP is delivering 15% CAGR every year, then what kind of return it will give you? That is the assumption we have got. The third 15 in this rule represents the tenure of the investment, that is 15 years. So as an investor, if you do 15,000 rupees every month SIP, which has got the potential to deliver 15% return, and you are doing the same for 15 years, end of 15 years, the overall portfolio value will be approximately 1 crore. So this is a very simple rule, right? 15,000 rupees for 15 years at 15% will give you 1 crore. Now let us move on to the second rule. Second rule is 15-15-30. Same logic here as well. The first 15 represents 15,000 rupees monthly SIP amount. Second 15 represents the rate of return 15% CAGR. Third 30 represents 30 years tenure of your SIP. So as an investor, if you are doing 15,000 rupees monthly SIP at 15% assumed rate of return, end of 30 years you will be having 10 crores. Yes, you read it right, it is 10 crores. For an investor who is doing it for 15 years, it is 1 crore. For an investor who is doing it for 30 years, it is 10 crores. Looks like a huge amount, right? You may think, how come this is possible? This is possible simply because of power of compounding. This is what known as power of compounding. 15k per month is something very much affordable. 500 rupees per day is what? 15,000 per month. So 500 rupees per day will be an affordable amount for most of the middle class families. It is possible for most of us. So affordability is not a problem here. And another advantage with this is 15 years or 30 years is predominantly a longer time frame, long term. So ups and downs will not impact. Only in the short run, volatility will impact your portfolio and give you negative returns. Whereas in the long run, temporary panic, negative news, war-like situation, election, all these things are not going to impact your portfolio because you are investing for longer time frame like 7+ years. You need not worry about market outlook at all. Third advantage with these rules are you are doing in a disciplined way every month 15,000 rupees. In a disciplined way you are investing because you have a disciplined commitment. Every month you are investing, you get into rupee cost averaging. Market is up, you invest. Market is down, you invest. So you will get an average price. The result of this will be whenever the market is under correction, you will be buying at discounted rate. Whenever the market goes up, because the accumulated units of SIP value will go up, the overall portfolio value will be going up. So affordability, long-term nature, disciplined way of investing, rupee cost averaging are the advantage of these rules. To become crorepati by using these rules, you should not assume that if I have 15,000 rupees per month or 500 rupees per day, then it is possible. Yes, money is needed. 500 rupees per day or 15,000 rupees per month is needed to become crorepati. In addition to that, two more things are needed. First thing is conviction. You should have faith in the market. Market may give you negative return temporarily. Market may give you lower return. Market may create a lot of panic. In the year 2000, market crashed by 55%. In the year 2008, market crashed by 50%. During pandemic in 2020, market crashed by 38%. All these things will test your conviction. You may discontinue your SIP if you don't have enough conviction, enough faith. So having conviction is very much important to continue the SIP for 15 years time frame, 30 years time frame. So conviction is important. In the long run, corporate India will do well. Because of that, stock market will give me better rate of return. You should have faith. One more important thing that is needed to use this SIP rule of 15-15-15 or 15-15-30 is patience. Market will test your patience before rewarding you. That is why Warren Buffett says stock market is a machine which transfers money from impatient investors to patient investors. People who are impatient, when the market is low they sell, when the market is high they jump in and buy. So both has to be avoided. So patiently a person has to continue the SIP even when there is huge crash in the market. Market is giving you negative return, market is giving you FDR or RD kind of return, even then you should have patience to continue. Patience plays an important role here. Either you are choosing to invest for 15 years or 30 years, whatever the support needed to select a right equity mutual fund, we'll be able to provide. Between 2013 to 2023, Sensex and Nifty has delivered between 12.5 to 12.6% CAGR. That means an actively managed equity fund would have given you 15 to 18% CAGR. To select a right actively managed equity funds, we can definitely guide you. We have given you a free complimentary consultation link. You can share your details there. We can schedule a call. I'll see you in yet another good video.
If you have any questions on this policy or any other investment options, feel free to book an appointment with our financial planner. The registration link for booking the appointment is given below this video in the description box. Would you like to attend insightful investment webinars which can help you to create wealth and achieve your financial goals? We organize regular free investment webinars. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is given below this video in the description box. Please click and register yourself so that you can learn the techniques to create wealth and reach your financial goals faster and smarter. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will not miss any of our future videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have anyone in your social circle who will be interested in this video, please share it with them. Thank you. Bye.